Let me let y'all in on my little nightly routine and what I do before I go to bed and before I call it a night. Um, so my face, since I'm outside all the time with the animals and with people in general, and just being outside, your face can take a big hit with like pollen and really just anything that's in the air, like COVID or whatever. So every night I do my best to like try to keep my face clean. So what I do is, first step is I do this is like once a week. I do the charcoal here. It's a charcoal face wash. Get the pores going. And then after that, in order to keep this clean and not like, disgusting, we do this. Tea tree beard wash. Now, these are exclusives to Boardroom Salon for Men, which is where I get my haircuts and my beard trims. Go check them out. They're worth every penny. Those people are amazing. And if you live in the Houston area, there's, I think, 3 of them here. The closest one to everybody that knows me is in Friendswood, in front of the mall, in front of the Baybrook Mall. Then after that, since my face does like to get dry, sometimes it'll flake out down here, I like to use this. Head and Shoulders Clinical Strength. It says to like release severe dandruff, even though I don't have dandruff, which is whatever, but it helps clean the skin. A lot of doctors now that like dermatologists and stuff are asking their people to start using that. That way they don't have to spend too much money on product, So we're gonna get started here. I'm gonna put the water mildly warm because it's 40 degrees outside here in Texas, and we're not really used to that. Although I do love the cold. I keep the apartment with my brother. We keep it at 65, 66, 67, and sometimes 64. It just depends on the day. All right, so first one, charcoal. You just need a little dab. No, I'm just playing. And then you can see it. See it splashing out. And you just apply it to your face. I scrape it inside my beard so that way it can get into the pores as well in there. I look weird. I look extra white. I'm sure you guys looking at me like, whoa, we don't got his glasses on. He look hella weird, but I'm used to it. I'm hoping that one day I can actually get LASIK surgery done and, clean out and just not have to wear glasses anymore, which I'm sure would be a huge adjustment for people. And then now you wash. And then as you wash with the charcoal and stuff, you definitely feel a lot better. You feel relieved. Now we do a little bit of a beard wash. So you know what I'm saying? You just gotta rub. Oh man, it smells good. You gotta rub like so. And then you just apply it to the beard. And this will really make it soft for any guy out there that grows beard, whatever. This will definitely make your beard really soft. It could be mustache too if you want. It'll make it soft. It'll keep it from itching. Especially if you're trying to grow your beard out super long, it'll definitely help. You can't really see much about it in the beard. Also, I'm very blind, so I can't even see myself in the camera, like the camera. So whatever. And then now we wash. You literally just wash the beard where your hair is, whatever. It probably takes about a good 10 minutes, not even, honestly, I don't even know. Now we use this thing. Now this thing is so damn thick. This is what it looks like when it comes out. This is just a dab. I try so hard not to like put too much in my hand because it'll squirt all over the place. Trigger warning for everybody that doesn't like the word squirt. Now, you wash, you add it to your face, you add it all over your face. Oof. Try not to get some in your eye like I did. Because this stuff burns. I will tell you that. This will burn the living hell out of your eyes. Trust me, it will burn. And you're going to be there like, this is what I do. I'm sure if you guys can hear the TV in my room, I'm watching The Office right now as I upload other YouTube videos because, you know, I like to do everything all at once. You let this sit for a little bit. That way it can get all up in there. So while I'm letting it sit, I'm going to tell you a little bit about some products that I bought the other day at Bath & Body Works. This stuff smells amazing. This is the Winter Candy Apple. So if you guys like holiday stuff, go check them out. I also have Snowy Peach Berry. Let's see, I wish I wasn't so blind. Mahogany Teakwood. And last but not least, Fresh Sparkling Snow. Now these, the cool thing about these is they don't come out like a liquid. They come out as a foam. And those foamy ones are really, really nice. Oh man, I'm feeling it in my eyes, so it's time to wash. Now this one's a little bit harder to get out of your face because it just likes to linger. Just like, yeah. It likes to linger, and then it likes to linger in your hands as well. So like I will show y'all right now. So like you see, it's still on my face, it's still lingering around. It's a pain in the ass to try to get it out. So after I feel that I've washed enough of it, even though I know there's not, I've washed some of it. You take your towel, and you just, I can still hear it, little bubbles and stuff, but whatever. I got the best I could. It's better to add, since I already showered and I wanted to do the video, it's better to do the head and shoulders when you shower, so it's faster for it to get out of your hair, out of your face. But that's really my nightly routine right there before I go to bed, and I brush my teeth, all that. Look at this mess of hair. Like y'all can see where my cowl is. That took about what, 6-7 minutes, which is not bad. So I hope you guys can see and enjoy what I do on a nightly basis. And then after my face is done chilling, you add some moisturizer to it, and you call it a night. So see y'all later.